Have you been hurt, betrayed, wounded by a toxic relationship? You are not alone. But today, your healing begins. These powerful overcoming trauma affirmations will help you let go of the pain, rebuild your confidence, and embrace emotional healing. Breathe in deeply, and as you exhale, release the past. You don't have to carry this pain anymore. Say these words with me and set yourself free. Take a deep breath and listen to these affirmations. I release the hurt, the pain, and the betrayal. I am not defined by my past. I am free from trauma. I choose peace over resentment, love over fear, healing over pain. Take a deep breath in, and exhale, and let these words soothe your hurting heart. Isaiah 41 verse 10 says, "Do not fear, for I am with you, do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you." Stay still and listen. Healing is a journey, and every word you speak brings you closer to wholeness. Believe these truths. Take another breath in, and listen to these affirmations. I am healing, one day at a time. My heart is being restored, and my mind is at peace. Every breath I take fills me with strength, love, and light. Take a deep breath in, and exhale, relaxing your body, and listen. Psalm 147 verse 3 says, "He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds." You are valuable. You are worthy. You deserve love and respect. Say it with me. Take a deep breath in, and listen or repeat this affirmation with me. I am strong, confident, and resilient. I love myself unconditionally. I deserve happiness, peace, and a healthy relationship. Take another deep breath in, and exhale. Let these words sink into your soul, anchoring you towards healing. Romans 8 verse 37 says, "No, in all these things we are more than conquerors through him who loved us." The past is behind you. A beautiful future is ahead. Open your heart to love, joy, and peace. Let these sink deep into your soul, bringing you hope and light. Now take one more deep breath and repeat or listen to these affirmations. I am ready to receive real love and happiness. God is guiding me toward the right person at the right time. I trust that my future is filled with joy and abundance. Jeremiah 29 verse 11 says, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." Take one last deep breath, and exhale. Believe you are moving on the path to emotional healing and freedom. Every time you speak these affirmations, you are stepping into healing, confidence, and a new beginning. You are worthy. You are loved. You are whole. If this spoke to you, type "I am healing" in the comments and subscribe for more Christian healing affirmations and emotional recovery guidance. Thank you for watching.